afternoon. Namaste to you all as you preparing students for academic session 2082. Today I am going to solve another trigonometric problem. This is also important question. The question is 2 tan A. 2, okay, we have 2 tan A equals to 3 tan B. It is given to us, so we have to make it tan A equals to 3 by 2 tan B, and we should prove here the LHS tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is given. From this tan A minus B, we have to prove sine 2A upon sine 2B upon height minus cos 2B. Okay, we have to prove this from tan A minus B, and then we have given 2 tan A equal to 3 tan B. So we can find out here tan A equals to 3 by 2 tan B. Why we are getting the value of tan A? Here we have to find out, we have to prove sine 2B upon 5 minus cos 2B, so that we found the value of tan A here. First of all, we know the formula of tan A minus B. We know formula of tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 minus 1 plus tan A tan B. Now we have to put the value of tan A in this question. Tan A equals to 3 by 2 tan B minus tan B whole upon 1 plus tan A. Value of tan A is 3 by 2 tan B dot tan B. Here just we put the value of tan A in terms of B, because we have to prove here the angle in the B, so that we are putting the value of tan A in terms of tan B. Okay, now we solve it. 3 tan B minus 2 tan B. Here 3 by 2 tan B minus tan B. So 3 by 2 minus 1, we can subtract here 3 minus 2 and the 2 by 2. In this way we can solve it, so that we did the same thing here, whole upon 2. It's whole upon, we get here 2 and the 2 plus 3 tan square B upon 2. Okay, here what happened? A by B whole upon B by C. In this case, what can we do? The numerator into the fraction of denominator, we have to write in the reciprocal form. And here is also we do same thing. 3 tan B minus 2 tan B upon 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 3 tan square B. Now we can cut it. There is 2 in numerator and denominator. Then we can cancel it. Okay. After that, what can we do here? 3 tan B minus 2 tan B. 3 tan B minus 2 tan B we can subtract, and we get here tan B whole upon 2 plus 3 tan square B. This equals to, here we have to find out, or we have to prove in terms of sine and cos, so that this tan will change into the sine and cos form. So tan B equals to sine B by cos B whole upon 2 plus 3 sine square B upon cos square B. Okay, now what can we do? The same thing we can repeat here. Sine B by cos B whole upon, first we will add here, then 2 plus 3 sin square b upon cos square b. So 2 cos square b plus 3 sin square b whole upon what? Cos square b. Okay, now sin b by cos b into cos square b upon 2 cos square b plus 3 3 sin square b. Sin square b. Here we can put one cos. There is two cos, so we can put one cos here. What happened? Here then sin b cos b is remaining in numerator. Here denominator 2 cos square b plus 3 sin square b. And we have to find out their cos to be, so that we change that sign into the cos. Again I write in this place our sin b cos b the same, and in denominator 2 cos square b plus 3. That sin square b we can change into cos square. How can we change? Sin square b equal to 1 minus cos square b. So that 1 minus cos square b, this equals to sin b upon sin b cos b whole upon 2 cos square b plus 3 minus 3 cos square b. We can write this as sin b cos b whole upon, where cos square, 2 cos square b plus 3 minus 3 cos square b. So we can subtract it. 3 is 3, 2 cos square b minus 3 cos square b minus cos square b. Minus cos square b. And then we have to find out here in terms of 2a and 2b. So how do we get that? Look at here. If we multiply by 2 in the numerator, 2 sin b cos b happens, then it goes to the formula. When we multiply in the numerator, we should multiply in the denominator also. So that when we multiply by 2, 2 3 are 6 minus 2 cos square b. This equals to 2 sin a b cos b is sin 2b whole upon sin 2b. And look at here, what happened in the denominator? Cos 2 cos square b. We know cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1 happens, okay? And then 2 cos square theta. What is the value of 2 cos square theta? 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, so that 6 minus 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta is 1 minus 1 plus cos 2 theta. What happens here then? Sin 2b upon 6 minus 1 minus cos 2 theta. This equals to sin 2 theta. No theta, here is a b. So that we have to write b. Okay, in the position there is a b, so we should not write the beta theta. We cannot write this. Okay, sin 2b upon 6 minus 1 5 minus cos 2b. Okay, we got the right hand side from the left hand side. Okay, then what can we write here? RHS equals to RHS PROBD proved. Okay, in these questions, in the trigonometric questions, in these identities, what is the given and what we have to find, that we have to understand first. Then which formula we have to use, that we have to be confident. Then only we can solve such questions. It is also important questions, and then you can solve these questions 2-3 times, and if you get any problems in any steps, you can ask to me. And to get such videos, you can like, share my channel, then you will get such videos. Okay, now this is the solution.